How about some stewed cabbage with potatoes? There's the garlic, the bacon, the onions. And right after I put this in this moderately to high flame, then I'm going to toss in the cabbage, the caraway seeds, and I cut the onion and the cabbage like in squares, so they kind of easier to pick up with a fork. That's the only reason. But if you want to cut them, dice them up real small, it's up to the individual. This bacon just came out of the freezer. I'm impatient. I couldn't wait for it to thaw out. I have to get this going. And the garlic I left whole. You don't have to leave it whole. When it comes to cooking, you could do just about what you want, except you wouldn't put bananas in here. So that's working. You put some caraway seeds in. And I'm going to use, like I said, chicken stock. You don't have to. You can use water or vegetable stock. This is going to have a nice flavor. There's nothing in here that doesn't work well with each other. Let's face it, bacon goes with anything, even bananas. Onions go with everything. And I purposely did not cook the bacon first, because in a dish like this, whether you like it or not, you want the bacon grease. And now for the cabbage. And as you see, well, this is going to shrink a lot. That's a 4.5 quart pasta I have there. And for an item like this, you can season up with the salt and pepper at the very end. It's not like a piece of meat where you want to get flavor on it. This will stew down to probably half the size easily. I'm going to put the I was going to say kitchen broth, but it's really chicken broth. Put that in there now. Which I have sitting over the side here hot. We're going to put a lid on this. It already smells pretty good. As soon as it comes to a boil, I'm going to lower it quite a bit. Matter of fact, let me do that now. I had to jump away from this for a minute, my phone rang. So look at that, fast boil, which you don't want. So now, it only took about a minute. Now lower it down so you have a nice, slow bubble. There's no reason to rush this. I forgot the most important thing that goes in there. I did say this was cabbage and potatoes. So where's the potatoes? Right here. And after it's all done, I'll tell you why I slice them like this. You could have chunks in there, but I did it like this for a reason, which you'll see at the end. My dog barks. Please ignore him. Okay. Now we got a very slow cook. I don't know. I'll give this a half hour, 45 minutes, and I'll come back to it. 45 minutes later, everything is cooked, soft, too much liquid. So now uncover the pan, raise the flame, and let this reduce until there's just a few drops of liquid in there. And then we'll take a look at it. And season it. You can season it now. It'll be easier to do it instead of waiting for later. So we will put in there salt and pepper. Start off with just 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. And a drop of sriracha hot chili sauce. So I will leave it like this, reducing for about 15 minutes. Now we're just about finished. And the reason why I cut the potatoes that thin, because they start to disintegrate in here, give off a lot of starch, giving this thing some body. See how everything sticks together? That's from the potatoes. And if you cut big chunks of potatoes, that wouldn't happen. So we're going to put a little bit of this into a little side dish just to see how it goes. And you can top this off and shut this off. It's done. Top this off with a little chopped fresh parsley, maybe some slivered scallions, whatever you like. But you notice how nice and thick that is. That's what I'm looking for. So, back this off a little, and there you go. Nice and dry, sticky-like. I hope you enjoy it. I forgot an optional item, and that is for flavor. And that's not a stick of margarine either. Even though there's bacon fat in there, when you add butter to this, that's about a tablespoon or a little bit more. It really helps the flavor. And we're not looking for a diet item here, even though cabbage is healthy. But I want a flavor, and the butter's going to do it.